Hello guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to another video with me once more again. So first of all, let me start by, if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, thank you so much for coming. Thank you for stopping by. You are in Amy Tonia's channel, and I want to appreciate all my returning subscribers. I love you all. Thank you so much. So like I said, if this is your first time, you are highly welcome. Okay, and this is Tonia and you are in Amy Tonia's channel. In this channel I do a lot about faith, family, lifestyle vlog. Okay, so many goodies you can get from this channel, so feel free to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be notified. Okay, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into the video for today. So the video for today is, I'm going to be giving you some tips on how you can get your 4,000 watch hours fast. Okay, so that's the video for today. I know a lot of people are out there, a lot of us are out there looking for how to really get these 4,000 watch hours, and I know that there's so many videos out there with this kind of topic. Okay, but I'm doing this because I believe that everyone has got a different way, okay, of which he or she achieved this 4,000 watch hours. So my tip number one is go live. You know that time is on your side. You have every opportunity. Go live. Do a live stream. Okay, live streaming helps a lot. Now I'm going to be talking about my own side. I didn't get enough time to do live streaming, but I did live streaming. I did even silent streaming. I did. It's not that I so much love silent streaming. I don't like it too much, but I had to do it because I was really aiming at getting these 4,000 watch hours. And I know again that with kids, if you are a mom or you're a family channel with kids, it's kind of like difficult to go live to stream, but don't be discouraged. Okay, whenever opportunity presents itself, stream. And when you are streaming and you don't have much people, do not be discouraged. Continue, go live stream if you can. Anyway, if you can't, there is other ones, that other means like playlist group. If you have people or you are connected with good and genuine people, okay, playlist group work for some people, it doesn't work for some people. So it all depends on the people you are mingling with, people you get connected with. Okay, so there are so many playlist group out there on YouTube that you can join. So if you have an access to get one or two of them, whatever one you can afford, playlist group with genuine people in there really do help. People that when they are running you, when they say that they are running you, they are running you without any deceit in there. Okay, then if you have someone you can exchange playlist with, someone you trust, a friend, you know, you can also do that. It really goes a long way. Okay, now my third tip is, you can as well run yourself. Open different accounts. Okay, use it to run your own playlist. It helps. It really goes a very long way. Now my next tip again is support. Now if you don't give out support, you cannot get support. If you don't support other people, you will not be supported. You don't expect people to support you when you don't support other people. Now this white tea that I've come to know today is all about support. I'm saying it. You have to always be there to support people. Go to people's live stream, watch people's video. Okay, and then Get connected with the right people, right? Get connected with the genuine people, with the sincere people, people that can help you, people that when you talk to them, they help you. Another thing I will say is, don't always be on your own, like you are in your house, you know it all, or you don't want to ask question. Look, asking question doesn't hurt. If you don't ask question, you may never know it. Okay, so always ask question when you don't know something or when you are confused about something. Asking question doesn't make you an ignorant person. It doesn't make you less human. It doesn't take anything out of you. It only helps you to acquire more knowledge. It only helps you broaden your knowledge, helping you to know more. So whatever you don't know, do not fail to ask questions. Ask, and ask the right people. Okay, now the next tip I'll be talking about is staying focused. Yes, look, YT alone on its own is a full-time job. Okay, I know that there's so many of us out there. We have family to look after. We have so many roles to play: the role of a wife, the role of mother. Okay, we even work in our different working destinations. We work, and then including YT. I can really understand that it is not easy. Yes, it is not easy, but you are in YT, you are in YT. All we can do is to stay focused. Stay focused. Do what you want to do, okay? Stay focused. Don't be distracted by so many things. Don't always, what I mean by staying focused doesn't mean that your family is all going to be about YouTube. No, there is always a time for everything. Yes, organizing yourself, scheduling your time matters a lot. Okay, when it's time to attend to your family, you attend to your family. When it's time for you to go to your work in your various places, you do that. When it's time to attend to your kids, you do that. And then make a time, organize yourself, schedule your time of when to give to YT, because YouTube alone on itself is another full-time job on its own. So staying focused helps you to achieve these 4,000 watch hours. If you are not focused, if you are not consistent in posting videos, in going live, okay, in supporting people, you may never be able to get to that place. So stay focused is very important. And my last tip for today is going to be work hard. It pays. It doesn't matter how long it took you to get there. It doesn't matter all the things you passed through to get there. Okay, what matters is the end result. Hard work really do pay. So work hard. Try as much as you can not to be discouraged, not to be lazy. Work hard. And it doesn't matter what equipment you are using. Okay, work hard. Don't give any excuse. If it is your phone you are using to make videos with your phone. Consistency matters a lot. Work hard and be consistent. Make good videos. Quality videos does not mean that you must use the most expensive camera, the most expensive ring light, the most expensive, all of that. It doesn't really mean that. What matters is producing quality content that are visual. People can see it, people can follow, people can understand, people can watch your video and know exactly what you are talking about, what you are illustrating, what you are saying. That's what matters. Okay, so hard work pays. It really pays. 4,000 is not a piece of cake. I know that there are so many people that it was easier for, and there are some people that find it very difficult. Okay, but don't be discouraged, and don't think that because Mr. A got it at 2 months, you must get it at that 2 months. But if you target at that, you will get it. But remember, it is always God who has the final say, okay? Put in your best, pray about it, and leave the rest for God to do, okay? So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much. If you are current, you know that I recently got monetized and I'm here giving my tips, okay, on what worked for me and how it can also be of a helping hand to someone out there who is also struggling and working towards getting his or her watch hour, 4,000 watch hours. I really do hope that you pick one or two from everything I have said, and see you guys in my next video. Ciao, ciao.